Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving straight into how to track client feedback and requests using Monday.com, your 2025 guide. First off, log into your Monday.com account and navigate to the Communication Center. Here, you can create a new board specifically for client feedback. This helps us because it makes managing feedback and requests seamless, keeping them all in one place and avoiding clutter. Next up, let's customize your board's columns. To do this, click on the column center and add the columns you need. We suggest the text column for feedback, the people column for the client's name, and the status column for tracking progress. Let me explain why this matters. Personalized columns ensure you capture all the critical details about each feedback or request and track its progress efficiently. Now, let's move on to the next step, inputting client feedback and requests. Click on Add Item, type in the feedback or request, assign the client, and set the status. The reason we do this is to ensure every feedback or request is captured, assigned, and tracked right from when it's received. Having done that, let's automate notifications. Go to the Automation Center, select the When Status Changes, Notify Someone automation, and customize it. This helps us because it ensures you never miss an update and can react promptly to client feedback or requests. Now here's what's happening behind the scenes. Each time a request is updated, the person responsible gets notified, keeping everyone in the loop and ensuring the feedback or request is addressed in time. And that's it. Now you know how to track client feedback and requests in Monday.com. Remember, the key is to keep everything organized and automated. With this method, you'll always stay on top of your client feedback and requests. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you in the next one.